Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by reading the exact Warzone error so you know if Secure Boot is implicated. Once done, reboot into firmware and confirm your system is in UEFI mode and note whether Secure Boot is enabled or disabled. Make a Windows restore point and back up key files so you can roll back safely. This avoids wasted time guessing and lets you proceed with targeted changes. It also preserves data if you need to reinstall drivers or change firmware settings. You next update the UEFI and all core drivers because mismatches often trip Secure Boot checks. Flash your motherboard firmware per vendor instructions, then install the latest GPU and chipset drivers and run Windows Update. After that, uninstall and reinstall the anti-cheat client, for example, Vanguard, using administrator rights so driver signatures refresh. Make sure Secure Boot stays set as intended during these steps. The why is simple. The game and anti-cheat, you finish by setting Secure Boot to the correct state. Enable it if your drivers and anti-cheat are signed. Only disable it temporarily if you must run a trusted unsigned driver and understand the risk. Then run sfc/scano and dism to fix Windows integrity, reinstall Warzone, and test the launch. If it still fails, inspect firmware key enrollment and Windows event logs for driver signature or boot policy errors. This single troubleshooting tip, review keys and logs, will point to the exact signing problem to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.